everyone, this is Julie with Beading, and today I have a fun show and tell for you. So it's been a while since I've been able to do a show and tell, so I'm very excited. These are Toho Reglass seed beads, and they're really great in these muted colors. They come in a blue and brown and a green, and to me they really mimic the look of sea glass. So I like them for beachy designs, but I think they'd be great for other designs as well because it's a really soft color palette. So I have a lot of the greens here, and I picked a green in each finish so that you can see the difference and really compare them. But here I have some 8-0s, here I've got the 11-0s, and then I've got some blues and a brown. So I wanna show you real quick. Here is a matte blue, so a really pretty soft blue color. This is a perma-finished silver line blue. So you see it's really got that shine to it. And then here is a rainbow blue. So there's what that color looks like. And then here's a brown. I only have one sample of the brown to show you. There's also a matte brown and all the other finishes in the brown as well. And then we've got some of the greens, and this is the 8-0 size. And that's actually what I used here in this necklace. So I put together this little necklace using a Nun Design seahorse charm and went for a real beachy nautical theme. And I mixed it up with some sequin charm chain. But we've got the matte 8-0 in the green, paired with the perma-finish blue. So you see that it's got that shine to it in the middle. And then I've got the matte blue as well with the perma-finish silver line blue. So it's kind of fun to do a little mixing and matching of the colors. Now I do want to show you over on this side right here is all the different finishes. So up here we have rainbow. Let me just pull this down a little bit. So rainbow is a very soft AB. So if we look at it, it's for the most part transparent, but it has a soft rainbow sheen to it. So it's not quite as strong as a traditional AB. Then we've got the matte. Now the matte to me looks the most like sea glass. It looks like it's been battered by the ocean. It's got that really nice matte muted color to it. And if you look at the tube here, you see it doesn't really, the tube has shine to it, but the bead itself does not have much shine to it. Maybe just a little bit of what you call like a little bit of like a glistening to it. Then we have transparent, and transparent is truly transparent. It's pretty see-through, so you see it on my mat here. You can see pretty much right through it. It doesn't have any AB to it at all. So it's just a clear bead with a tint of green. Then we have a luster. Now luster is a lot like the rainbow, but without the color. So it's got a really nice shine to it, a nice sheen, but it doesn't have any of the AB effect to it. So this is if you want that nice shine, but you don't want the colors. And then finally, let me move my mat back up, we have the perma-finish silver line. So this feels like a bit of metallic involved in it because it does have that silver line. So it's super shiny, but it's not the same as the luster. You see how it's actually, I'd say, brighter than the luster. It reflects light more so than the luster. So those are the finishes. We got the perma-finish silver line, we have the luster, we have the transparent, we have the matte, and then we have the rainbow. And again, we've got blues, browns, and well, I should say blue, brown, and green in the 8-0 size as well as the 11-0 size. And then I also have this project, which will show you one example of what you can do with them. And then I'll be creating more projects as well. So if you like these beads, please go over to beadaholic.com and check them out. They're Toho Reglass seed beads.